You're blogging with WordPress. But scheduling with Google Calendar. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when you publish a WordPress post, automatically create a promotion reminder in Google Calendar. Or, when new events are added to your Google Calendar editorial schedule, create new pages in WordPress. Or even, update your Google Calendar content schedule when new WordPress posts go live. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between WordPress and Google Calendar, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.